Welcome to the headlines that matter. We start with Ferrari NV. The high-performance sports car maker has raised its annual dividend for a fourth consecutive year, and Wall Street analysts are projecting significant upside for the luxury automaker's shares. We dive into how Ferrari's strong earnings and premium valuation are shaping investor sentiment right now. Item, chassis number 155,217, is in pristine condition and could command prices north of $800,000. And finally, we look at the big picture in global finance. We examine the massive investment opportunity surrounding the China SHOTO 26,000 leverage shares 3x long Ferrari race ETP securities. Find out everything you need to know about this leveraged exposure and what it means for your portfolio today. Stay with us. Ferrari NV is regaining investor focus following a recent dividend increase and sustained positive analyst sentiment, with Wall Street projecting significant upside for the luxury automaker's shares. The high-performance sports car producer has extended its dividend growth streak to 4 consecutive years. Ferrari's business model is fundamentally built on scarcity and brand exclusivity, prioritizing high margins over volume. This strategy is reinforced by its deep integration with motorsport, particularly Formula One, which serves as a powerful global marketing platform, enhancing the brand's image in engineering and racing heritage. Beyond core vehicle sales, the company diversifies revenue through licensing, theme parks, and lifestyle products, which provide supplementary income with relatively low capital expenditure. Revenue generation is driven by a portfolio of V6, V8, and V12 powered sports cars, with high-margin, limited-series models and bespoke personalization options significantly boosting average selling prices. The company's ability to maintain long waiting lists signals robust demand resilience within the luxury segment. From a shareholder perspective, Ferrari's dividend track record is notable. The most recent dividend increase marked the 4th consecutive year of higher payouts. Despite the consistent growth, the dividend payout ratio remains low, hovering around 4.94%, indicating that management retains substantial capacity for reinvestment or share buybacks. Analyst coverage remains constructive. As of May 2026, 16 Wall Street equity research analysts surveyed by MarketBeat assigned an average 12-month price target of $469.06, implying a potential upside of approximately 45.91% based on a reference price of $321.47. The consensus rating is a moderate buy, reflecting a balance between perceived growth potential and the stock's premium valuation. U.S. investors assessing Ferrari must weigh several factors: the company's position at the nexus of luxury goods, automotive technology, and global consumer spending. While the dual listing on the NYSE provides direct access to the European luxury name, investors must also monitor key drivers such as the pace of new model launches, progress in electrification, demand in North America and China, and macroeconomic shifts. The stock's premium valuation makes it sensitive to changes in wealth trends and regulatory environments. Ferrari's future trajectory will also be closely watched regarding its strategy for hybrid and electric vehicle development. A stunning automotive encounter at 1232 Sunset Plaza led to a memorable mix-up between two high-performance marques. The experience began at the opulent property, where black and white Lamborghinis were displayed, culminating in the unveiling of a 2013 Lamborghini Aventador LP704 Roadster. The setting itself was lavish, featuring a $28.8 million residence with an infinity pool and expansive guesthouse. The author, attending the event, initially mistook the Lamborghini for a Ferrari, highlighting the close visual similarity between the two high-end sports cars. After entering the driver's seat, the author indulged in a moment of fantasy before realizing the vehicle's true identity. Upon approaching the passenger side, the author recognized the distinctive features, including the butterfly doors and the Spanish Fighting Bull decal, confirming the vehicle was indeed the rare Lamborghini Aventador LP704 Roadster. Experts noted that this model is exceptionally rare, with fewer than 1,000 units globally. The vehicle's power, driven by a V12 engine capable of 700 horsepower, and its blistering acceleration capabilities underscore its status as a pinnacle of automotive engineering. The incident served as a sharp reminder for the author to exercise greater respect and verify vehicle identification before making comparisons. The report concludes by introducing Christina Wolfgram, a blogger who documents the California car scene, providing a unique perspective on the local automotive culture. A rare piece of automotive history is hitting the market. The first Ferrari 430 Scuderia is now up for sale. This unique vehicle, believed to be the very first of its kind, has been in private ownership since 2008 and is now being offered by Autolier M. The specific car, chassis number 155217, dates back to before the public debut at the 2007 Frankfurt Motor Show and is considered the first production-spec model of this type. It represents a significant milestone in Ferrari's history. The Scuderia boasts unique specifications that set it apart. It features a striking combination of blue Scuderia exterior paint and a Grigio Alcantara interior, a pairing rarely seen on a Scuderia. The vehicle has been meticulously maintained, showing only 23,000 kilometers on its odometer, and includes protective front-end paint protection film along with a complete service history. As a collector's item, the Ferrari 430 Scuderia symbolizes automotive excellence and commands high value. Originally a factory-owned vehicle, it was reportedly never used for press or media appearances, instead being internally allocated for senior Ferrari management. While no specific asking price has been listed for this particular model, standard examples command asking prices ranging from over $600,000 to $800,000, with some private offers reaching even higher figures, underscoring its status as a highly sought-after collectible. A new issuance of leveraged exchange-traded products, or ETP securities, has been announced, contingent upon their admission to trading on the main market of the London Stock Exchange. The offering involves 26,000 leverage shares 3x long Ferrari race ETP securities. The final terms, dated May 18, 2026, detail the terms of this issue, which is part of a collateralized exchange-traded securities program. The offer is subject to the ETP securities being admitted to trading on the London Stock Exchange. The issuer reserves the right to withdraw the offer without liability if this condition is not met by the effective listing date. Key details of the ETP securities include: Series, leverage shares 3x long Ferrari race, ETP securities. Tranche, 65. Number of securities issued, 26,000. Issue date, May 18, 2026. Issue price, USD 8.546 per ETP security. Principal amount, AUR 20 per ETP security. Investment objective, to track the ISDOXX leveraged 3x race index. Exposure type, leveraged exposure with a 3x leverage factor. Reference asset, Ferrari NVADR, traded on the New York Stock Exchange. The ETP securities are structured as registered notes, with the portfolio administrator being FlexInvest Limited and the issuing and paying agent being U.S. Bank Europe DAC. The base prospectus for this series is valid until March 13, 2027. The issuer confirmed that information regarding the reference assets and the index data was sourced from the websites of Ferrari, the New York Stock Exchange, and Stocks Limited. Applications for admission to the official list of the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, and the London Stock Exchange have been submitted. Subscription is exclusively available to authorized participants who submit a valid subscription order. Issuances will generally settle on the second London business day following the receipt of a valid order before 2:30 p.m. London time.